Good morning, everybody. We're on our way to go eat breakfast at the, what was it again? Boardwalk what? Boardwalk Deli. Never been there. We're gonna go try it and go eat some breakfast. So we're in the deli, and I'm just gonna show you a quick view of what they have and their prices. It's pretty much bagels and sandwiches, but they also do have like pastries and muffins. I have no idea why they call it a half moon cake, considering it's a black and white cookie, but whatever. They have sugar cookies up top. They have salads here. They have some cupcakes and some cream puffs. They have wraps, fruit, and drinks as well. You can also get your mugs, I believe, here as well. So if you're on the dining plan, you can also get everything else here too. So Amy and the girls just ate breakfast. They got a bagel with egg and cheese and 2 chocolate milks. To me, those bagels are like Dunkin' Donuts, and if you're ever from New Jersey or New York, you'll know that we are very specific and very particular about our bagels. No, I'm sorry, the rest of the country, no, those are not bagels. Those are just bread.
But this resort has awful breakfast selections.
So,
awful
it
selections.
is what it is. Now that everybody ate, now we're gonna go to Epcot. We made it into Epcot, and now we're gonna go into the seas with Nemo and friends. Let's go under the sea.
Nemo, where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together. Nemo, why didn't you drop by for a little fun? Get the motor, dude.
Hey, do you know what I can do?
Righteous offspring.
Look, he's feeding them.
Yeah, they're feeding. He's feeding them. Why is it just floating away?
Because that's jellyfish just float and swim.
It's coming to me. It's coming to me!
Well, we just left Nemo with friends. Now we're about to go on Soarin'. Now this is going to be a very special Soarin' because this is the 250th anniversary of America. So they made a special Soarin'. We're going to go check it out for the first time ever. We just got off of Soarin', had a little bit of food, had a pizza, nothing special. But now the girls wanted to go into Journey of the Water, inspired by Moana. So we're gonna go in and have a little bit of fun.
You're supposed to do this, Shayna.
So the girls are already back there, and so is Amy. We're about to go on test track. I hope they don't get scared. All right, we just got off a test track. Ariella, what are your thoughts?
I was a little scared of it.
You were a little scared? Were you a brave girl though? Did you enjoy it? Would you do it again? Yeah. Shayna, did you like it? Yeah. Mommy, what are your thoughts?
I loved it, and I love that Shayna just was screaming pure joy next to me.
So for those who fully watched that entire video, the person screaming in the car was Shayna. Yeah, it was Shayna. She just gave me that type of look. So, Amy, where are we going to now?
Well, we're eating slush. We're drinking slushies.
Eating
right
slushies.
now. And then we're gonna walk it in World Showcase. Maybe go to Mexico and go on the 3 Caballeros ride.
Anything else?
I don't know. We'll see where the world takes us. We are eating at Shiki-Sai. This is a newer restaurant, Epcot, in the Japan Pavilion. So when you open it, this first page is their prefix menu, and that's what you get on the dining plan. For the adults, you get to select one from here, one from this area, and one from here, and one from here. So entrees and desserts. And then for the kids, you get to select a starter and one of the mains and the desserts. Now this side of the menu, you can also do a la carte, but it also has pictures of everything on the prefix menu, which was super helpful because a lot of it is imported from Japan and it's authentic. So a lot of the names I didn't recognize. And then this is their alcohol section. Of course, with the dining plan, you do get a specialty or alcoholic beverage for the adults, and the kids can get a specialty non-alcoholic beverage. The kids got the make your own sushi plate. So it comes with the rice, the seaweed, some fish eggs, tuna and salmon, some egg, cucumber and avocado. We also got tempura vegetables. I got the bluefin tuna. I already ate one. It was delicious. Straight from, they said they bring it in from Japan. And salmon avocado roll. And then we also got some Japanese pickles. I don't remember the exact name of them. Hello. So after dinner, Josh went back to the hotel. It's been a very long, hot day. He wasn't feeling great, so he went back. I have the girls, and we are going on Ratatouille, Remy's Ratatouille adventure. Can't even speak today. They're very excited.
Wait, that's it!
Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
So you just saw Ratatouille. Sorry for the one time like I went off to the side. There was actually, if you're in that room and you get in and you look to the right, there's actually the Pizza Planet truck hidden in there, but I didn't get to show it to you guys. It moved too quickly. So before you tilt, look to your right. There's the Pizza Planet truck in a window. The rest of the day, we're just gonna kind of relax in the room. I'm gonna do some laundry. We have the wash and dryer. Don't wanna wait till we get home. And we have some big things tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe and like this video or you're never gonna see what we're doing tomorrow.